Thanks, Darren. I'm here at Wright Park in Lincoln, where the YMCA of Lincoln is holding their 13th annual adventure run. It's an event that people look forward to every year for families of all ages to come out, have some fun before the pool, barbecue, and fireworks kick off later today. Woo! Wright Park traded its soccer fields for an obstacle course, as more than 200 runners laced up for the YMCA's annual adventure run.
About 1.5 miles with over 30 different obstacles ranging from flags you run around to a water slide you go down the hill, a couple of climbing walls that we've had volunteers create for us, and a lot of hurdles and just a lot of smiles and a lot of fun.
Now in its 13th year, the event has become a Lincoln tradition, a family-friendly way to celebrate Independence Day with movement and community.
On this holiday, a lot of the typical holiday events don't take place until afternoon and evening, and so we like to take advantage of that morning time slot to get the families together, to get them out doing something active and healthy.
And for the participants of all ages,
it's just a lot of fun. It's a good time to get outdoors and go have some fun with the kids.
We're enjoying time with our grandchildren and helping the Y, and it's a great cause.
Well, it was very challenging because some of the obstacles were really hard. But you got to push through them and do them.
It was very hard but very fun.
Behind the splashes and the smiles, there's a greater mission.
Proceeds from this run allows anybody in the community, no matter of financial barriers, to participate in YMCA memberships and YMCA programs. And as you're out here today at our youth sports park, they can play in any YMCA youth sports.
It's a high energy kickoff to a holiday that's all about community. For the YMCA, it's more than just a race. It's a celebration of wellness, togetherness, and the power of play. In this 90-degree heat, sometimes you just have to go have fun. For NTV News, this is Randy Silver. Back to you, Darren. Woo! Yeah, that's fun.